This is Sylvia Carr with a tutorial on Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts are a way to connect yourself with other professionals, as well as connecting your class to other classrooms, as well as other places in the world. It's just a wonderful way to open their eyes to see new things that they've never seen before. So let me show you. There's two ways that you can get on Google Hangouts. One is to go to your Gmail account, and you'll see that down on the bottom here, this is the Hangouts icon. If you close it up, you won't see the conversations, but here's where you can add a new conversation. So you can enter the email or the name of the person that you want to connect with here. You can also go to Google Hangouts, hangouts.google.com, and this is what you're going to see when you open that up. You can connect with people by adding a new conversation, and then again, put in their name, those kinds of things. Okay, but you can also do just a regular phone call, a message where you're just typing back and forth, but it's great to do a video call to be able to see the people that you're talking with. So if you click on the video, it will ask you to access your microphone as well as your video camera. So you're going to say yes to that. I've already done that, so mine's already working. So here you can add a name if you want to do what's called a mystery hangout. This is where you can have your class work with another classroom to determine where they are at in the world. They have to ask yes or no questions, and it's great for them to get their thinking going about the world around them and how to figure out where people live. They can ask, are you near an ocean? Are you in a state? Does your state border another state? How many, or does your state border more than one state? Those are the kinds of questions that my students have come up with in a mystery hangout where they're determining where somebody lives. We've also done mystery hangouts where it's a mystery number hangout. This is great for the kids to work on their number concepts and understand the meaning of a number. They ask, again, yes or no questions to determine what number the other classroom has selected. So they can ask, is it greater than? Is it less than? Does it have tens? Does it have ones? So things like that. So that helps the students to just really think about what they've learned about number sense. So again, you'll just add a title, and then it's going to join a video call. I'm already in the video call, so I'll go there. So we'll go there. All right. So as you can see, there's my picture in the corner. You can invite people once you add people's names. So I will invite, let's see, I'll invite myself since I'm not in the classroom. So I'll this video call is restricted to people at Central Unified, but you can add people that are in other districts as well. So I'll close that out. But you'll see up here some icons. You need to make sure that your camera is turned on, so it will be white if it's turned on. If it's red, you won't be able to. They won't be able to see you. You can mute the microphone if you're having a conversation with a student that does not need to be shared with the other classroom. And here you can also invite people. You can leave the call, and then there's other settings if you want to check to make sure that you're on the right webcam, the sound is working, you've chosen the right microphone. Right now I'm using a microphone that is not the default one, so that one is the one that is selected. And then your communications, your speakers, and make sure your headphones, all of those things are there. You can play a test sound to make sure that it's coming through, and I do hear it now. All right, so we're going to stop that. So that is now saved. All right, if you look over here, here's where you can do your chatting. If I will pop that back open, and here is where you can chat, so you can do typing something. If for some reason your sound is not clear, or you're trying to figure that out, you can text your message there. Here is where you can share your screen. If you're teaching somebody about something or you're showing them what you're doing, you can share the screen. So if I want just the application window, I would select the application window, and we'll go say I have this one. I'll share just that screen with them. And so let's enable editing. This is probably not the best one. It's just our important dates for the year. So if you're just talking about, oh no, this date is wrong, you can tell what's going on with a colleague of yours. Okay, so I'm going to close that one out. And we'll go back and we'll close that. We'll close this out here. Let's get back to our Hangouts. All right, so those are the basics to everyone. We're going to stop that screen sharing for now. So I hope that this helps you and provided you some ideas of how you could use Google Hangouts for collaborating with colleagues or exposing your classroom to other places in the world. All right, thank you very much.